Are you able to see this thing? The last class, which I have told you. Is it visible? Can you give me the response so that I can start the our session?
Yes, it's visible.
Now, okay, fine. So, uh, before going to the actual session in HTML, let me talk about few things in the HTML language. Okay. So, what is meant by HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Okay, it is a hypertext markup language. So, what is the main functionality for HTML is nothing but we can create the websites using HTML in software. It's not a software, it is a scripting language. It is a scripting language. It is not HTML. It's not a software. It is scripting language. It is called as a scripting language. Why? Because we are writing in the manner such that we can see at the other end as per our convenience. Okay. So which type of files are supportable in this HTML scripting language is document type files. Okay, only document files are allowed in this HTML file. Okay. So the which type of document files are supported in HTML? Images. We can insert the images by taking some source. We can take any image and put it up on our local folder, and we can index that image, and that will be displayed in our website. Okay. And text also, we can directly write our text as per our convenience. We can write text in hyperlinks, or we can discuss hyperlinks later, and we can draw the tables also. And we can show up the videos also. Okay. We can show the videos in two types. Either we can download, either we can save in local folders video in two types. Okay, we can show up the video files in two types. Either we can store in local folder. Okay, a file dir. Either we can FOLDER. Either we can save in the local folder, or we can give the link. Okay, we can give the link to that video. Okay, by linking that video we can play the video. What is the best example for linking that video? YouTube videos. Some of the websites will show up the YouTube videos. So that videos is nothing but those are the links for the YouTube, which are directly copied from the YouTube and pasted in the HTML website, HTML scripting page. Okay, when the HTML file is executed, then there we can see the YouTube file, YouTube video which is running. Okay, as well as we can run up the sessions in audio also. Audios. Okay, we can show up audios and videos in two types. Either we can show up save that thing in local folder, or we can take that video or audio as a link, and we can copy that link in the HTML page. Okay, so where we can see these HTML pages in www, World Wide Web or internet. Okay, it doesn't matter. So in order to write HTML, so we have to use the tags. We have to use the tags. We have to use tags. So tags is nothing but those are the start and end lines for the information or script for HTML. Simple to say, for the HTMLs, those are the starting and ending lines. Okay, in between tags, in between tags, we can write the context. Okay, we can write the context in between the tags. Between tags. Okay, in between tags we can write the context. Okay, so if we want to write some paragraph, we can use some type of tags. In order to write some hyperlink, we can use another type of tags. Okay, in order to write paragraph, so paragraph, you know now, if some information is written down in some two three more than 2 3 lines is called paragraph. If the information is written more than 2 3 lines, we can call it as paragraph. So if we are mentioning the paragraph, then we can use the tags that is called as paragraph. That is called paragraph tags. So where it is here. Okay, so this is called paragraph tag. This is also known as start of the paragraph tag. Okay, as well as if we need some any hyperlinks using anchor tags. So hyperlinks nothing but we will write like this using a. So this is the beginning start of the anchor tag. Start, wait a minute, start, start of the anchor tag. And in order to end the anchor tag, so we have to write like this. This shows up end of the anchor tag. Okay, so in between these tags, we can insert website link, web link directly. Okay, we can insert the web link directly. Okay, so this is the story of anchor tag. Okay, so what I'm doing, what is the next concept here? I'm writing a new file here. Okay, I'm writing a new file here. It is called as, I'm naming it as sample HTML. You have to name the file as sample as, or whatever it may be, it's your interest. Okay, so what I wrote here, a sample HTML file I wrote. Okay, in order to write HTML, sample HTML, so we have to initiate the file using HTML tag, start tag. Using HTML, we have to start the tag, and using HTML tag, we have to enter file, HTML file. Okay, using HTML, where we can start the HTML, we can start the HTML file, and using uh, uh, greater than and less than symbol backslash, we can end the HTML file. In between start and stop of the HTML, whatever the context is available, that will be executed as HTML file. Okay, the thing which is outside the HTML is not executed. That means it is not prop. It will not show. Okay, the info which written outside is displayed. Okay, is not displayed, will not displayed. Why? Because it only reads the starting tag and ending tag. The information which is inside those tags is readable to HTML. Okay, next. So what we are doing, after HTML initiation, we are writing, we have to write like this. It is a document file HTML, and here I'm starting the body. So body is nothing but it is gives a space, like it is gives a format for the web page. It gives a format or space for the web page. Okay, after that we can write HTML headers, H1 header, H2 header, up to H6 headers. H4, H6 up to we have H6 six headers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this can be this heading can be started by using H tag, and this is ended like this. Okay, this is started that heading is started like this, and that is ended like this. Okay, after completion of header tags, okay, what we have to do, we have to write some para. Okay, so I wrote some P. Here what happens, the paragraph will be initiated. Okay, the paragraph will be initiated. I wrote some text. Hello, this is my first HTML document like that. After that, I'm closing the paragraph. Okay, so after that, I'm writing the body. I'm closing the body. Okay, and after that, I'm closing the HTML. So if we save this file, complete file as HTML. Okay, if we save this file as completely as HTML file, then it will be showed in our website. So in order to do that, we have to we have to open some new save. Okay, I'm copying. Wait a minute, it's gone. I think. Here. So what I'm doing is I'm copying this thing and pasting this thing. So I'm removing all the notations here. Or you can write hash also. If you are interested, you can write hash also. So for sake of simplicity, I'm removing everything. I'm removing everything. I'm taking only first header file. Okay. And I'm taking this one also. I'm deleting this one. Control Z. Enter. Okay. Everything perfect, fine. So just what you have to do, you have to take save as. You have to save this file as save as. While saving, you have to take HTML file is not coming up. Test HTML. So here file names is not coming. Test HTML. It is not coming. Encoding. Okay, it's not coming. I'm saving in desktop. If I open this thing, where it is test HTML now text. It is under text mode. Or you can open this with Notepad. So it is showing no options directly. You can do one thing. And simulator. I simply HTML simulator key there in this channel, which we can see. So what I'm doing is Control V paste. Okay, wait a minute. Copy. See highest head. So because so this is the highest heading, or you can check the lowest heading also. Say H2, second one, and you have to close the thing. H2, H3, third one, H3, and H4, H4, fourth one, H4, or you can copy and paste. This is fine. Okay, enter, and this is sixth one. Sixth, okay, different files. So in a one, this is third. Paragraph is in the size of fixed format. We cannot we can change, of course, we can change the font style, everything in the head. Just we are focusing on the header files differences here. Okay, up to, is there any are you able to follow this thing? Are you able to follow? We can develop the website. Okay, like that we can develop the website as per our convenience. Okay, so let's wait 1 second. So these are the basic this all these concepts will come under basic examples. Okay, in order to write some anchor tag, I told you anchor tag. So in order to write anchor tag, what we have to do, just taking this thing and copying into another HTML file here, so that I can share this thing. Oh, it's gone. Okay, leave that thing, what it may be. So in order to mention any link, mention any hyperlink, what you have to use hyperlinks, reference tags, anchor tags, also known as reference tags. So how can we write reference tags? Using a H reference, REF. Okay, H reference equals to, okay, you can put the website here. H reference equals to, you can put the website here. What you will put the link, say suppose HTTP, I can wait 1 second. There is our website. It's gone. SK Academy. It's our website. Dot WordPress .com. It's our website. Either you can write HTTP in front of this website or not. It's your wish. This must be in double quotations, not in single quotations. This must be in double quotations. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, after that, what that website must show in front of the web page is, we have to write here, this is our website. Okay, like that you have to write, and you have to close the anchor tag. Okay, you have to close that anchor tag. Okay, if I run this code, so you see this is our website I got. So what happens here is that the text which I wrote in this code is implies shows us directly, but if I put on that text format, it is showing some link, web link. So how can we cannot see that link, but we can click that link. Okay, if I click that link, sorry, it seems that, okay, I will write HTTP here, HTTP colon to /www dot. Okay, I will run the code again. So what, see here at the end, at the downside, you can see the website. Whenever I point out that pointer on the this is our website page, line, the website will be pointed out at a left down corner. Okay, skacademy.wordpress.com. So if I can click that link directly, if it is, if the resources are corrected, properly arranged in this compiler, then it will run that website. Then it can run the website. If you are interested in another WordPress.com, it takes some time available. Sorry, it's our SK study point. No? Our website name is SK study point, not SK Academy. SK study point. It is a test website. That's why I forgot. I run this website. skstudypoint.wordpress.com. Still, it is not showing, but we can open that link using right click. Okay, you can open that thing using right click. Okay, here you will get our study.wordpress.com. Find the job details, etc. It's code. Find our web code. So it's a doesn't shows up any code, but you can inspect the each and every element of our website. Okay, so by right clicking the page, you can find the inspect. If you click the inspect, okay, if you click the inspect this networks, okay, later, okay, division class. So if I put the cursor at table format, it is actually image, no, it is actually image, okay, or else you can put anywhere as per your convenience. You can see the element width, the height, all these things. Okay, we can discuss all these things later. Okay, all the source code will be appeared directly by right clicking the website. You can get the script information. Okay, it is a document type. HTML is in English language. Sorry, HTML is in English language, and it is in format of JSON. And this is and title. Uh, there some reference links are there here, and okay, scripting for that for this information. Okay, like that you can find each and everything. Okay, do you have any doubts up to now? Michael, do you have any doubts? Is it understood? Are you getting the point?
I don't have any doubt. Continue.
I didn't understood what you are saying.
I said we continue and following.
Do one thing. Can you repeat again?
I said we can continue. I follow.
So no doubts. You have no doubts, right?
Yes, I have no doubts.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's go to our compiler. Okay, let's go to our compiler and try to run other things like it is href tag. Okay, it is called as anchor tag. This is called as anchor tag. See the format here. So in order to write anchor tag, you have to write href, and you have to close the tag up. Okay, and you have to mention that website link here, and you have to show up the text which you are looking to which you want to show up that which you want to show up on the information, like this is our website, or click click here. Okay, click here, it's our interest. Click here, it's our interest. If you run this code, you will get click here. Okay, okay, if you run this code, you will get the click here button. It is the text that is showing up, that is carrying the website link. Click here is nothing but a text that is carrying the HTML file, HTML anchor tag, or website that is carrying the website. Okay, after that, as we discussed about tag elements, we have tag elements now. Where are the tag elements? Here, HTML tag, the type HTML you have to write, and this is body. This is called as body tag. This is called as header tag. Okay, so all these tags must be used by the HTML. All these tags are used by HTML. We can do one thing. What we'll do? Just we can go beyond with one thing. 1 minute. I'm just copying this thing, and I am executing. Okay. So this is not visible. Okay. If I execute this code, okay, this is not visible is also coming, but in actual compiler, this is not visible will not come. Why? Because HTML file is closed here now. this information will not come. This information will not come. Okay. This information, that information will not come. I will show up the real thing, but I didn't make up the HTML simulator perfectly. So that I'm going to the online simulators. Okay. Uh, and body tag and paragraph tags, and what we discussed today, anchor tag also we discussed. Anchor tag. So anchor tag starts with HREF, H reference, H reference. Okay. And do one thing, Michael. What I will do. Use this code. I will send this code as a in text format. Just try to write a website. Try to write a paragraph. In that paragraph, try to include some hyperlinks. Try to include some hyperlinks. See, I will explain the concept how to insert the hyperlinks. Okay. So after entering this, hello, this is HTML log. Write some information and take H reference. Okay. A HREF, H reference, which is equals to double quotation some www dot google.com, as we have to show Google. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to close the website or close the H reference. Okay. Okay. So run this code. So we are not getting anything. Why? Because we are writing another paragraph. Let us remove these things. It is not showing up. So what you have to do is you have to close the paragraph here. You have to close the paragraph. Okay. AH reference equals to search. Okay. We have to close the thing. If we run this code, still we are not able to get this HTML document. Why we are not getting? There is a problem, I think. Paragraph close. H reference is not showing up. There is some issue in this online compiler. So we can deal this thing later. I can send this code and do one thing. Are you there, Michael?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. I will send this code. Try to modify this thing as per your convenience. Write some headers and write some paragraph and try to add some anchor tags. Try to add some anchor tags. Okay. Okay. After I will install the some actual some services will be there. I will install those things and then I will explain to you. Perfect. You can see front end and back end at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Um, so have you satisfied with these two demo sessions? Are you getting any problem?